We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay. If we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get a correction, we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. And now we're looking at this, all right? But mostly we can expect this one turn to flat. Technically, if this one gives us one more drop, then any reversal from there, it can give us better trade setup if we wants to look for buy. Anyway, we move to daily chart. Based on daily chart, we have been looking for this correction, but from there, we can see the ways drop is quite sharp. Can we confirm this is the one is going to retest the low or not? That's why if we want to look for trade, we need to be quite careful. All right. And even based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for sell. And if we move to forward chart, this is what we can see. We have been looking for this correction. The price drop, the waist drop was really sharp, but still we can look for reversal. All right. That means still we get, if we get any reversal within this one, any buy setup we can take, because still we can expect this one give us similar to what we have here. That means this one can tend to deeper correction. Anyway, in terms of the risk and reward, if we get any trade setup for buy for reversal, this is what we are more interested. And if we move to 1 hour chart, okay, as we mentioned, based on forward chart, we mentioned if we get any reversal for trade, I mean the buy, we are more interested. But the question is whether the price can reverse from here, or we should wait for one more drop. As I mentioned, technically we can see this flat. If the price give us one more drop, then any reversal from there, it is, I mean, can give us better confirmation. Because if we refer to the indicators, even right now we will see the divergence, but if we get one more drop, we can give better confirmation. Even because MACD, we doesn't have the divergence yet. If we get one more drop, it can give us better confirmation. But anyway, either the price give a drop reverse, or even the price reverse from here, any trade, if we get any trade set up for buy, we'll take the trade. And now we can look for this one. If we get any trade set up for buy, we will take the trade. And what we're looking for the reversal. And the only thing is any trade set up for buy will be within this range. Because after that we want to see whether the price can break this line or not, because still we can expect, as I mentioned, to whatever we get here, it will be similar to what we have here. That means this one can turn to a bigger correction. Anyway, we don't need to care about that. The only thing is any buy setup from here, we will take the trade. If not, if this one turned to a corrective move, we won't take the trade. Even if we take the trade, we just take out. If we want to look for reversal, what we want to get the sharp move, not the corrective move. Okay, because as I mentioned, this one can turn to flat. How about if I move to 15 minute? uh but I don't think it's still, I mean, we cannot look at this one as a trade setup. It's better we wait, we see whether this one can turn to a correction or not. As I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, but still for me, I won't take the trade from what we have right now. That's why we have to wait a few more hours. Okay, then from there we see whether we can get the confirmation or not. All right, anyway, I prefer the price give me one more drop before we look for trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.